All right, we've been getting a lot of questions about how to set up your grow kit once you receive one. So we do have instructions on the side here. I'm going to show you how we open it up. So you're going to want a knife that is clean. I like to use isopropyl alcohol on a wipe and just wipe off the knife that you're planning to use. Be careful not to cut yourself. Then you're going to find the X on the box. You just want to cut through one side. There are 2 X's on the box just because of the way we need to print things, but you're only going to open one side to keep it a moist, humid environment. You're going to find the X and you're going to cut all the way through like so. And if it's not perfect, it doesn't really matter. You're cutting a hole in a box. Then you'll open it up. Make sure that you cut through the liner. You can see the black liner here. We did make the cut all the way through. If you cut through the substrate a little bit, that's fine as well. That's just an extra place where the mushrooms can fruit from. Once you have that open, I like to open mine a little bit more, so I'll tear it a little bit at the edges, just so it has a little bit larger area for me to spray. Then you are going to take your water and, if you don't have a spray bottle, you can even just drip some water on there. But you want to spray the opening, you don't want standing water, but you want it to be moist. And you'll spray that 3 to 5 times a day. Whenever you can, just keep it moist. And this is what it'll look like. It will, you'll continue spraying it until it fruits. Once the mushrooms fruit, you'll just grab them and twist once they're ready, and then you can eat them. It'll continue fruiting up to 3 to 5 times, and then you can just bury it in your garden.